Understanding grounds for concern. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that you might have come across in conversations, readings, or news: grounds for concern. Understanding these phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your comprehension of nuanced expressions. Let's break it down together. Grounds for concern is a phrase that signifies a reason or set of reasons for feeling worried, uneasy, or apprehensive about a situation or outcome. It implies that there are justifiable reasons to feel troubled or anxious about something. This phrase is often used in formal contexts, such as reports, news articles, and discussions about social, economic, or environmental issues. To fully grasp the meaning, it's helpful to understand the components of the phrase. Grounds refers to the basis or foundation for something. In this context, it means the reasons or evidence supporting a feeling or action. For is a preposition that indicates the relationship between the grounds and the concern, showing that the reasons lead to or justify the concern. Concern signifies worry, care, or interest in a situation that could potentially lead to negative outcomes. When combined, these words convey the idea that there are solid reasons behind the feeling of worry or apprehension. To put this into context, let's look at some examples. 1. The recent decline in bee populations gives us grounds for concern about the future of our ecosystems. 2. The lack of transparency in the company's financial reports is a ground for concern among investors. 3. The rising sea levels are a significant ground for concern for coastal communities around the world. These sentences illustrate how the phrase can be applied to various situations, emphasizing the existence of reasons to be worried. Incorporating phrases like grounds for concern into your spoken and written English can make your language richer and more precise. Here are a few tips. Use it when you want to express worry or caution about something with a solid reason. It's suitable for academic writing, formal speeches, and debates where you need to highlight potential issues based on evidence. Practice creating your sentences with the phrase, focusing on different topics to become comfortable with its usage. We hope this video sheds light on the meaning and use of the phrase, grounds for concern. Understanding such expressions not only broadens your vocabulary but also helps you navigate complex discussions with greater confidence. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase when you encounter situations that truly warrant concern based on solid reasons. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning!